Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve Microsoft Store with the error code 0xc0EA0002 in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. When attempting to install or update apps, this specific error code 0xc0AA002 frequently shows up along with ambiguous messages like something unexpected happened. Reporting this problem will help us understand it better. You can wait a bit and try again or restart your device. That may help with this error code. And the root causes for this error can be very widely corrupted store cache files, misconfigured system service, unstable network connections, and outdated system components. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to reset the Microsoft cache. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard and pop-ups this run. So here in box, then we need to type this command keyword wsreset.exe. So just type this command keyword wsreset.exe and then click OK. And then this command keyword and this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So that's why we will do this command keyword ws reset to back to default this Microsoft Store settings and to fix this error. Alright, so once it's done here in the Microsoft Store, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to run the Windows Store apps troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on the start menu and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings and then click open. And then here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters. And again here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select Windows Update. And on right side, you can see here this run button and then click. And we will wait to complete the detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed. So this is the result of scanning. So all you have to do is to follow the screen instructions on how to fix. So you can see here the problems found, Windows Update issues detected. If this problems is already fixed, then you need to click this yes button. If not, then click no. And also you can view the detailed informations about these issues. Alright, so once you're done here at troubleshoot settings, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to repair and reset Microsoft Store. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type Microsoft Store, and then you need to right click and select app settings. And here at Microsoft Store app settings, and then scroll down and select this reset. So you need to click this repair. So if this app isn't working right, and then we can try to repair it, and then need to tap this repair and wait to complete the repair process. And repair process complete, and the next step, then you need to tap this reset. So this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. And then you need to tap this reset and wait to complete the reset process. And reset procedures complete, and then we need to close the settings, and then here at the start menu, and then click this restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Microsoft Store with the error code 0xc0AA0002 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.